So, at today's very special event, with the help of our esteemed panel of experts, let us understand the importance of developer-first security approach and how developers and businesses can maintain the desired delivery speed while building apps safely.
We are thankful to Snyk for providing a very good tool which helps developer as they code to identify any kind of vulnerability. Also, since Snyk is updated almost on a regular basis, it gives us comfort that whatever code is going through that is secure to the best of our knowledge, to the best of industry's knowledge.
And being a cloud native SaaS platform provider, we are extra careful on training our resources and deploying the tools and ensuring that developers are having the necessary IDE plugins.
Every developer who is working on our system needs to make sure that this data is not going in the wrong hands. It is only visible to the right people in the system. Right? So starting from access control, starting from the coaches have access only to their clients' data. Security is kind of built into the DNA of the developer.
Snyk's view is let's empower those developers, give them tools they like, tools they know, things that they look and feel, and allow them to take a little bit of weight off security professionals. So security can be focused on risk compliance around the front end of the governance piece. And I think that's the key is if we can make that shift, it's not fast or secure. You can actually have a version of the story where you're pushing out new versions daily, weekly, hourly, however fast you need.
Now the key thing is that I build a bad product or I build a non-secure product, I can't protect it with firewalls and the rest of it. It is essential that the development is also done in a fashion that there are no vulnerabilities into the system.